Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a mouth in ZBrush. First, begin with a simple sphere or an existing head model. It's crucial to activate Dynamesh early on, perhaps at a resolution of 128, to maintain an even polygon density as you sculpt. This initial step helps establish a clean base. Next, use large brushes like the clay buildup or standard brush to block out the overall form and placement of the mouth on the face. Focus on the general proportions and the curve of the lips. Now, let's focus on the lips themselves. Grab your damn standard brush to carefully define the philtrum and the distinct lines of the upper and lower lips. For the mouth opening, the clip curve brush is incredibly useful for making a clean, sharp cut. After establishing the opening, switch back to brushes like clay buildup or standard to add more volume and natural curvature to both the upper and lower lips, ensuring they look full and realistic. Moving inside the mouth, we'll sculpt the inner cavity. Use a standard brush with a negative Z intensity to push in the area for the gums and the back of the mouth. Next, you can append simple primitive shapes, like cubes or spheres, and sculpt them into basic teeth and a tongue. Position these subtools carefully within the mouth. Finally, pay attention to the transition where the lips meet the inner mouth, ensuring a smooth and natural blend for a convincing result. For the final touches, use a damn standard or orb cracks brush with a very low Z intensity to add subtle wrinkles and skin texture around the mouth area, especially at the corners. To bring your mouth to life, utilize Transpose Master to pose the lips and create various expressions, like a smile or a frown. Always take a step back to check the overall proportions and how the mouth integrates with the rest of the face, ensuring a harmonious and expressive sculpt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.